True leadership is not defined by power, but by purpose. The rare ability to turn challenges into opportunities and transform visions into lasting realities. This perfectly captures the journey of pharmacist Ayuba Tanko Ibrahim, FPSN, the 39th president of the Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria, PSN, whose first year in office has been marked by innovation, unity, and a firm resolve to elevate the pharmacy profession to greater national relevance. Elected at the 97th Annual National Conference of the PSN in Uyo on November 8, 2024, and inaugurated on February 28, 2025, Pharm Ibrahim hits the ground running. Guided by a clear mission and inspired by the legacies of his predecessors, whom he fondly refers to as the living ancestors, he has shown that leadership is service, not status. Over the past 365 days, his administration has recorded remarkable progress in strengthening the PSN, amplifying the voice of pharmacists and embedding the profession more deeply into Nigeria's healthcare system. From the outset, he set out to build a society that is inclusive, innovative, and forward-looking. His vision is clear: a PSN whose members are valued, well-paid, well-organized, and properly recognized as essential contributors to public health and national development. Central to his leadership is the strategic use of technology. He has championed digital transformation across all areas of pharmacy practice, promoting digital literacy, automation in hospital and retail pharmacies, improved logistics systems, and collaborations with young pharmacists on artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. This forward-thinking approach is positioning Nigerian pharmacy practice for global competitiveness. Pharm Ibrahim has also demonstrated exceptional visibility, attending and contributing to critical professional and policy-shaping events locally and internationally. These include the 2025 Business Summit and Breast and Cervical Cancer Screening Flag-Off, Kwara ACPN, the Pharma West Africa Conference 2025, Lagos, the commissioning of NAIP House, the association's first permanent secretariat, Lagos, the 6th PSN YPG Annual Conference, Kano, the NAPSA Annual Conference, Chicago, September 2025, the 83rd FIP World Congress of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences in Denmark. A president constantly on the move, he attends most PSN technical group events and state pharmacy weeks, reinforcing his philosophy of leadership by example. In advocating for fairness in the health sector, Pharm Ibrahim has consistently called for equity, professionalism, and an end to discriminatory practices that undermine the contributions of pharmacists and allied health professionals. His engagements with key national institutions, including the NDLEA and the Coordinating Minister of Health, have strengthened partnerships crucial to combating drug abuse, improving pharmaceutical services, and reforming national health policies. Pharm Ayuba Tanko Ibrahim's first year delivered unprecedented progress, resulting in significant national reforms and policy breakthroughs. A new federal government circular prohibiting the training of pharmacy technicians in polytechnics, released on August 28, 2025, a major step towards standardizing pharmaceutical education. Form D entry point set for approval by the National Council on Establishment, enabling pharmacy graduates to commence career placement at the equivalent of grade level 12 after NYSC. A landmark Federal High Court ruling in Calabar, October 29, 2025, affirming that the PCN is the sole regulatory authority empowered to oversee the sales, dispensing, and custody of veterinary drugs in Nigeria. New Johesu PSN coalition gains, including payment of 25 to 35% arrears owed to pharmacists and CONHES personnel, creation of IPPIS payment structures for Form D holders and consultant pharmacists, approval of central internship placement for pharmacists and other health professionals, increase in retirement age 60 to 65 years for pharmacists and health workers, 70 years for consultant pharmacists and physicians, July 2025. Full approval of the National Electronic Pharmacy Policy, August 2025. The PSN President participated actively from inception to approval. PSN Foundation fully sponsored the project. Completion of the National Prescription and Dispensing Policy. The document is now awaiting final approval. This project was also fully sponsored by the PSN Foundation. PSN Foundation sponsoring 50 young pharmacists for short courses in public health, strengthening future leadership and capacity development. These milestones reflect one of the most aggressive reform periods in Nigerian pharmacy history, driven by purposeful leadership and strategic collaboration. Pharm Ibrahim's leadership is rooted in consultation, humility, and collective progress. To him, leadership is a continuous journey of service, and through his strategic actions, he has positioned the PSN as a credible partner in national health development. As he looks ahead, he remains committed to expanding digital transformation, improving pharmacists' welfare, strengthening collaboration across technical groups, and promoting research-driven, patient-centered pharmaceutical care. His one-year scorecard speaks volumes. A year of vision, impact, and transformative leadership that has positioned the PSN on a higher pedestal. Yet, for Pharm Ibrahim, this is only the beginning. The journey continues with renewed energy, broader vision, and unwavering commitment to excellence. As we celebrate 1 year of purposeful leadership of Pharm Ayuba Tanko Ibrahim, FPSN, we acknowledge a man who embodies integrity, resilience, and foresight. His leadership reminds us that progress is not achieved overnight. It is built through consistent effort, humility, and a heart devoted to service. Indeed, Pharm Ibrahim is not just leading the PSN, he is shaping the future of pharmacy practice in Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished delegates, the entire men of honor, invited guests, it is my honor to welcome to the podium a man of purpose, an achiever, a visionary leader, a lover of the pharmacy profession, a professional bulldozer, a leader par excellence, the #1 citizen of pharmacy in Nigeria, pharmacist Ayuba Tanko Ibrahim, FPSN, President of the Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria, PSN.